Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So hey, I am showing you a little procedure how I do some tire lettering, paint the tires, do a little white lettering, that kind of thing. So this is just a technique I've done. It works pretty good. It may not work for everybody. It's just something different. It's something different to try. A lot of guys always hand paint, do all that kind of thing. It works good. I've done it for years. But I've tried this a few times. It works really well. I just did a set of Firestones for my 70 Challenger model, and it came out pretty nice. So, like I said, this procedure may not work for everybody. It may not work for every tire out there. I don't know. I haven't tried them all, but it works for the majority of them. You just gotta be patient with it, and it takes a little time. But I think they turn out nicer than hand painting them. So, let's take a look, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned. So we're going to start off with a fabric marker. This here works pretty good. I think I got this at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, one of the two. It was in the art section, which the whole place is in the art section, right? So this here works pretty good. So it's not like a paint marker. It's not like a gel pen. I mean, it's got kind of the tip is actually kind of soft. It's not like really soft, but it's just enough to put something out, and the size of it is just B, so I don't know if that makes a difference or not. It must be, because it's on the top too, the different sizes they have. And other than that, I just use my stir sticks, and I find the wood works actually better than, like, say, a piece of plastic, piece of sprue. I've tried that many times and almost puts it on too wet, and you'll end up smearing it and it looks just sloppy. So, and the thing I found out as well, as you're doing this, you may need to change ends after a while. I don't know why, but it just doesn't seem to work as good after a bit, and it's just saturated. So let's get rolling. So I'll take a little bit on here. Nothing too carried away. Not too bad for the first pass. These tires aren't defined very well, so I'll give her another shot here. Don't need too much. That looks pretty good. Got a little excess here on the side, so just wipe that off the finger. A little bit over here. Yeah, it's not too bad. Let's do another one. All right. So I found it works a little better too when you take the tire and clean it with a little glass cleaner first. Something that's ammonia free. I don't know, that ammonia glass cleaner, this does wicked. Just eats everything. So I give it a little brush here. These letters are a little jacked up looking on this tire. I don't know if they're going to stamp out as nice. Not bad. Let's give it another coat. It's a little time consuming, but it's better than trying to paint it on, I guess. I mean, technically we are painting it on, but I don't know, this works pretty good. That's how I used to do it back in the day.
And you can use anything probably to put on here. I tried with plastic, like a piece of spur, and I find with the plastic it almost wants to stay on the plastic a little too much, and it'll actually smear because it's almost like too wet, you know what I mean? Yeah, looks pretty good. 1 of 5 stone. The E looks a little on the weird side. So I like taking the Q-tip and hit it with a little glass cleaner. That way, and I spray the floor. At least it smells nice. This way here I don't have to wipe the whole thing back off. I just do one. Like so. Let it dry for a minute. Re-dab our stick here. There we go, I got paint on the other side. I probably should start with a new piece here, but this first initial time when you're using this, it takes a little bit for that to soak into the wood. Let's see if we can get this a little better. It's about as good as she's going to get. The E's a little deformed on this tire. It's not like... I actually got paint on the other side of the stick, so I gotta be careful not to do that side of it. But yeah, this works pretty good. I mean, I'm sure there's better ways to do this or other techniques. Maybe similar, maybe not, I don't know. This works good for me anyways. So I got a little heavy on that one. You see the S and the... Like I say, some of these letters are just not that defined. Which side's wet? Boy, that glass cleaner dries fast. She dries very fast. Try not to spray the floor this time. Stuff comes out like lightning speed. You know what? I think we're just going to redo this whole side here because it just doesn't look like it's playing well. You know, sometimes it happens. Not a big deal. Don't like it, we can always come back and do it later. I'm going to take a marker and put on here because I can tell I'm going to ink pen. Like, nope, not that side. This side. Alright, let's try this again here. Actually, I don't want to hit it too much. Just enough to let you know it's there. It almost makes like, once you put the glass cleaner out, I don't know why, but it makes it seem like it's a little more tacky. Like it lets it stick a little better. So we'll finish this up and now I'll do the rest, and we'll put some rims on her and we'll stick them on the Chrysler and see how it looks. Like I say, I stole these off the Ford. Yeah, this side just don't seem to want to work out as good as the others. It's like the lettering's too close. Don't look bad. That E just does not want to cooperate. You know, maybe it did. Maybe it just got a little extra on it that we don't need. I think that's what it is. That don't look too bad. Alright, I'll get the other ones finished and we will get them mounted on the car.
Okay guys, so that's just a little quick tutorial on how I did this procedure or technique, and hey, hope you liked it. So hey, if you guys like these videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, shoot me a like, and send me some comments. I will get back with you eventually. So you guys have a good one, and God bless. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.